Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm filming another chatty get ready with me, and I wanted to share with you guys another one of my favorite everyday makeup looks that I do. So this is super simple, really easy. So if you like to see how to do this, just keep on watching. And I also use some new products in this video. So yeah. Okay, first I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and I'm just using my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Oh, Pepper just got in my lap. I thought I heard you come in here. What you doing, girlfriend? Do you want to say hi? Do you want to say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? You smell the lotion? Does it smell good? She's like, ugh. Lay down. Take a little nap. And if you were wondering, I don't have my eyebrows filled in. I guess this is my first video that I've filmed since I got my microblading done. And it's been about 6 days. Well, it has been 6 days since I had it done. Tomorrow it will be a week. And they've probably pretty much faded to how they're gonna be. She said that it takes they fade until like 7 to 10 days. And then after that, that's what they're gonna be. I'm doing my vlog video about my experience. I go back in like 4 weeks for my perfecting appointment. And then after they heal up after that, then I'll get that video up because I'll have all of my thoughts and everything that I want to say in that video. And then I'm going in with my Biore UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence in SPF 50+. And then for my foundation, I'm going to use this Diorskin Forever foundation. And you guys know that I've had this foundation for a little bit, not this specific shade. Okay, so the one that I had previously is shade 20. And I got shade 10. I actually ordered this through Octoly, like I requested to do a review on this. So they sent this to me for free. And I think that this shade and shade 10 is gonna match me better. Like, I'll just show you shade 20 and then shade 10 so you can see the difference. I always want to wear this other foundation, but I can't because it's slightly a little too dark. So that's shade 10 and that's shade 20. I mean, they're not like a huge difference in the shades, but shade 10 is their lightest one. Yeah, I think that's going to be a better shade match for me. I don't know if this color oxidizes or not. I felt like that shade 20 did oxidize a little bit on me. But it's just like a good medium to full coverage foundation, and it's more on the matte side. Today I'm just running some errands this morning. I have to go to the grocery and go to the bank, and I need to get my nails filled in like really bad, and I broke this one. I kind of hate going to get my nails done. I just hate sitting there for that long, even though I'm not sitting there too long. I mean, usually they're done within 45 minutes or so, but still it's like, I don't know. I just would rather be doing other things, but I'll pick my cuticles if I don't get my nails done. So that's why I have fake nails. If it wasn't for that, I wouldn't get my nails done probably. So now I'm just going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I'm just going to use my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. I'm just going to set my under eyes with just a little bit of my e.l.f. HD Under Eye Setting Powder. And I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And this is the product that I've also been using as my eyeshadow, this bronzer. So just like whatever bronzer you're using, you can just use that as long as it doesn't irritate your eyelids. I don't have any issues with this one bothering me, and you guys know that my eyelids are super sensitive to everything. This is kind of another one of those just one eyeshadow looks, even though this isn't eyeshadow. This is just a good summertime makeup look when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup. So I'm just going to put this bronzer here on my eyelids, and I mostly focus it here. Not necessarily in the outer V, but like on the last third of my eye. I don't really put it in the inner corner so much. I mean, you could if you wanted to. I mean, I just kind of put it just on the lid, up in the crease. So just do that. And if you're worried about creasing or anything like that, you could use an eyeshadow primer, but I mean, for the most part, I don't really care that much. And then blush wise, I've been using my Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush in Rose Champagne, or Rosé Champagne. One of my favorite go-to everyday blushes. But yeah, yesterday, Josh and I, we went canoeing like in Georgetown, Indiana, and it's on Blue River. And yesterday the weather was really nice. It wasn't too hot or humid. I mean, it was hot, but it wasn't too humid out. For my highlight, I'm just going in with my CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner palette, and I'm just gonna go in with a mix of these two. This is just like my new all-time favorite highlight. I love to do canoeing or kayaking. My back though, it definitely got a workout because I think it was like a 5 or 7 mile like trip, and it took about 3.5 hours for us to do it. But I mean, we weren't paddling the whole entire time. Like, we took breaks sometimes and just kind of like relaxed, but it definitely gives you an upper body workout for sure. So my back is a little sore today. The other day I picked up a new CoverGirl Lash Blast, and I picked up the Clump Crusher because I've had several of you guys tell me that you love this, and I have yet to try this. I used it for the first time yesterday and I did like it. It seemed really good with like separating my eyelashes and everything. So yeah, and I love the CoverGirl Lash Blast. It's one of my favorites. It's been a while since I've used it, but Walgreens was having buy one CoverGirl product, get the other one 50% off. And I did want to mention this real quick before I did my mascara, but the Grande Lash MD. I have been wanting to try this for a while now. I heard my friend April from Wanna Makeup, she raves about this, and I saw this come available on Octoly. So I put in the request to do a review on it, and they sent this to me for free. And I have been using it now for a little over a week. And even just in a little bit of a week's time, I can already tell that my eyelashes are improving. I feel like they're getting a little bit more full and slightly a little longer. You have to use this product for like a month to 3 months to see the full results of it. And then after you've used it for 3 months, you just kind of apply it like I think about 3 or 5 times a week to maintain your lashes. And first I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl Lash Blast. I remember back in the day when I would use this Lash Blast volume, I felt like it was really volumizing, but like this compared to my CoverGirl or my Maybelline Lash Sensational, like volume wise, it just doesn't really compare. I mean, I still like the Lash Blast, but this Maybelline Lash Sensational is just like amazing when it comes to volume. I'm gonna use several different mascaras today. We're just gonna combine a bunch of different ones. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the Clump Crusher and put some of this on my lower lashes. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can tell any difference with my lashes, but I feel like I can tell a huge difference so far. So I've really been loving that Grande lash. I got this sent to me for free through Octoly, but this is one of the Grande Lips Hydrating Lip Plumpers in Spicy Mauve. And I thought that this was like a color that was right up my alley. I love these types of colors. So first I'm gonna line my lips with L'Oreal Matte Lip Liner in Matte's It. And then which I really like this Saucy Mauve color. It's more of like a light mauve. It's not too dark. And I think it pairs really good with that lip liner. I think it would pair really nice with a lot of different nude lip liners. But it's just like a clicky pen, so you just like click it and it comes up. If you guys did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.